Hey y'all, welcome to Bruner Gardens. Today we are harvesting potatoes. So as you can see, um, these have suffered a lot of blight. We purchased this pack from Sam's Club, and it has the Adirondack, these purple potatoes, some russet gold rush, and red Norland. So we put some of each of these in, and they've been growing since March, the end of March, and like I said, they've suffered some blight, a lot of disease on these. So we're going to pull these up and make some room for our peppers and some other things, some more tomatoes that we have. So come along on the journey and let's get these out. Lots of little tubers here that would have been potential potatoes had I let it sit a little longer, had the plant been a little healthier, but you know, c'est la vie. Wow, look at that. This is where they stopped. I marked it here, so I know where I stopped planting, but let's see if anything reached beyond the border. See anything? Oh, worms. Oh gosh, he's sleeping. I am a scary gardener. It's wormy. Okay, we're gonna relocate you over there. Okay. Here we go. This is a little more promising. I'm gonna change the camera so that you guys can get a better look at what I'm doing down here. Let's see. Just want to dig down, make sure I'm not missing anything. I would hate to leave some behind. You can see I put this rope down. This was so that I would know where I stopped planting the potatoes. I would kind of have a, border line to know not to cross. So you can see down here. Let's see if I can get this right here. No, not bad. Let me get these out. Looks like the red Norland didn't do too bad. Not a bad haul at all. So these were the purple. You can see the stem. Some of them. Wow, wow, wow. I think this is the best yet. Certainly the biggest. Would you look at that? Look at this potato. Love it. So what you see here when you see these skins, these are from the seed potatoes that have disintegrated, that have broken down and given us these wonderful potatoes. So we'll leave this down for the worms. Remember if there's anything else in here. Don't want to miss anything, so I'm just kind of digging down to see. There's a, don't know if this is a root from something else, so let's investigate. See? Just wanted to make sure that wasn't a potato. That must be from a tomato plant, or the beans. So, all right, we'll leave that alone. Continue over here. Looks like one of the potatoes must have broken down. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Looks like one of them spoiled. It's got lots of life in there. This one was next. look at this. I did not plant this. This is a volunteer tomato plant, and I don't know what kind it is. This must have, I have no idea what variety this is. So we're gonna have to be careful with this little guy. Maybe relocate him. I don't know. Let's see if we can work around it. But I just noticed this. Okay, let's see if we can work around him. So, quite a few on here. Oh. Okay, I told you I'm the scary gardener. Oh, there's a worm on top. I don't know if you could see. Looks like he's sleeping. Oh, I need him to wake up. This is gross. Let's see if we can get him off. I hope that's a worm. All right, all cleaned, somewhat. Yikes. All right. That over there. We'll find him another home. He didn't make it. So we're gonna find him another spot. Since he's determined to be here, we'll find him another home. So we'll just lay this inside our bucket and we'll get to him later. Look at him, he's so full of life. We're gonna move him to the other side. So if I've forgotten anything, if I've left any potatoes behind, I think they will either sprout or they'll either feed these fat guys. Look at this fat thing. So anything that's left behind will feed these guys and keep them thriving and working in the garden. So I'm gonna put him over with his buddy. Just want to check one more time. Make sure I didn't forget anything. So that is it. This was exciting. This is my second year. Let me get this camera right for you guys. I'm a little close, but this is my second year growing potatoes. Last year I grew the big russet, and it was just from some russet potatoes that I had sprouting in the kitchen in my pantry, and I thought, oh, let's just put them out, and I had a great haul. I had so many potatoes, and this year I just thought, let me grow the red, the purple, and just try something a little different. So this was my attempt at something different, and let me take you down and show you the finished haul. It's getting hot out here, but let's take a look. So, not a bad haul of potatoes. This is my little bucket here, and you see this probably wins the grand prize of them all. So it's not bad, you know, for just putting a few potatoes in the ground, and this is what you get. So it's pretty exciting, and I can't wait to cook these up and make some yummy meals with these for my family. So thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. I will be bringing more videos of me and my adventures in my backyard garden. So I hope you come along on the journey and we'll learn together. Thanks, and I'll catch you next time.